This is Justin Herget and Adam Kotlinski's hardware setup. It is the board with a positive and negative voltage coming from the ground and pin 13, which is also tied to the LED output on the board. And that is going to this breadboard, which the positive voltage is being sent through a 1 kilo ohm resistor into the positive terminal of the LED and then out through the ground. In a second, I'll be setting the reset button on the board. To start, I'm using Teraterm, which is a serial control application in order to feed input into the board. So I'll be pressing the reset button now. And after the connection is established, it will enter this phrase, which it is now in a blocking protocol to tell the user to put in any string. So I will put in hello world. With an exclamation point. And as you can see, it actually printed back each character that it received to determine if it received it correctly. Now if I press the enter key, which represents the new line character, it prints back the whole message as well as the message in Morse code. As you can see, the up arrows or the carets are the actual word breaks of the message. And as you can see, the Morse code message is being displayed in accordance with the timing rules of Morse code. And we will wait until the hello world message is concluded. Now that it is concluded, we can go back here and see that the same enter phrase message has appeared on the screen. Now we will do a shorter message to demonstrate the sentinel killing of the loop. So we will say AW, AW. Now if I hit Control C, the sentinel will be detected and it will gracefully exit. Now if I were to restart the board, we get the same message, and I will demonstrate with a Control Z this time that the same message occurs and it will gracefully exit.